Welcome to the Kett Tool How-To series. Today, we're going to show you how to easily change the blades on your Kett double cut shears. Before we get started, make sure you have the following tools ready: a 5/32-inch hex key, the replacement blades, and your Kett double cut shears. First, take your 5/32-inch hex key and remove the top two screws from the shear head. Now, just loosen the bottom screw located near the base of the shear head. Next, carefully remove the spacers from the old blades and make sure to place them onto the new blades. Now, place the new blades into the shear head, one at a time. Finally, tighten all three screws securely to fasten the new blades in place. And there you have it. Your Kett double cut shears are now equipped with fresh, sharp blades. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.